As you can see, I accidentally ran into something with my trailer and broke this tail light. And so what I did was pick up a brand new one, and these are about $8 at a Tractor Supply store or hardware type of store. And all you need really is a wrench. And you basically remove these little nuts. If you have a hard time with rust, you can apply some WD-40 or some Blaster solution. These come off pretty easily, unless you've got a big rusty mess back here. By the way, these are not submersible lights. This is a trailer light, so submersible lights are going to be a little different. This is what the back of the light looks like, and you could cut these wires, but I don't want to lose any length on the wires, so let me show you how this little clip works, then I'll show you how to remove it. I've taken apart this old broken light just to show you on the inside. You've got a clip, and when you put the wire in from the outside, you push it into this hole, and it automatically catches it. So using this small screwdriver, let me show you what that looks like. So you push into the hole and you see the screwdriver coming through there. That's essentially what the wire is going to do, and then it gets caught so it can't back up. Okay, to get this wire system out, I would get a toothpick, or even better yet, a really small screwdriver, and press it down in there really deep, and then maybe taking a pair of pliers, pull back, and that wire comes right out. So you don't lose any length doing it this way. So I'll go ahead and pull this other one out, and I'll get the replacement on. Here's the replacement light, and it's a pretty standard light, not LED, not submersible. You obviously want to take off these little locking nuts, and these little bolts are going to go through the same holes that you just removed the last one from. But before we do that, we have to wire it. So if you look at the back of this, we've got the right side says that's going to be the green wire, the left side that says the brown wire. But if you look at these, they're both green, at least at first glance. So this one is all green. This one's green with a brown stripe. So the brown stripe's going to be brown. Now you can twist these. You might want to give it a little polish with some sandpaper, but basically stiffen them up by twisting the wires, and watch how easy this is. So here's the tail light assembly, and again, the brown wire is going to go on the left, so I simply take the brown and green and stick it into the hole and then pull it back until it locks. Okay, you see how easy that is? And then I'll do the other one with a different camera angle so you can see it better. Okay, on the right side, my right, is the green wire and the hole for the green wire. So again, you've got it stiffened up. You're going to push it into the hole and then pull it back, and it should be pretty snug. Now, if you want to be super paranoid, you can go ahead and silicone this. I'm not really using the trailer in the rain, so I'm not too worried about that as far as, you know, the electrical shorting out. So to put this back in, you simply put this through the holes again, and then on the back side, I'm going to go ahead and put those nuts. This really couldn't be easier. Test them, make sure that it works, but if everything was installed correctly, these should work no problem. All right, there we go. The direction light's working and the brake light's working, so easy peasy.